Hey everyone, today I got a package from MSBLUE, and they are a jewelry company that was founded in New York, and they are experts in moissanites, lab-grown diamonds, engagement rings, and fine jewelry. They have many choices, creative designs, and high-quality jewelry, and they are very affordable. And I would like to mention that they gave me a discount code for you guys to use, which will be in the description, as well as the links for the items I got if you want to check them out, and a link that will take you directly to their website. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So first, I'm going to show you this cute little bag that it came with, and it just says MSBLUE Fine Jewelry. Then at the bottom it says New York, and I love this color. It's very pretty. It's like a kind of like blue, like a light bluish, kind of sky blue kind of color. That's what it reminds me of. And so inside, first I'll show you this, and it's kind of, it's like a thank you card. So on here it has obviously their socials, and then tells you some more information about them. And also inside the bag it has its own little jewelry pouch, and on it it says MSBLUE Fine Jewelry. I love how they have their like logo, I think that's what they call it, everywhere. It's very cute, and this is just so you can store it. Let's say if I'm traveling and I have one of my jewelry pieces with me and I'm like, I'm gonna take this off because I don't want to get this like dirty, or like if I'm going swimming and stuff like that, I can put it in here so it doesn't get scratched or anything, which is great. It's always good to have these little pouch kind of bags. It also came with this cute little cloth that you could use to like clean your jewelry, make it shinier. It also has, of course, MSBLUE on it, and I love this gray color. It looks really nice. It's like a grayish white. It looks pretty with the blue. But yeah, and this is good to have so you could just like make your jewelry extra pretty, extra shiny. So now on to the jewelry itself. I got two things. We're gonna start with this box. Okay, so that's a pretty box. So it's the same color as this bag. It's like blue and all that stuff, and it's just like a little, like a gift box, and it has the thing on top. Then it has a layer of like the protective foam, and then inside is a smaller box. I love things that are like that. I always find it so cute for some reason. But yeah, so this one is the same as the other one, but it's smaller. So inside the box is the ring I got. And this one is called the Perfect Fit 3-stone oval lab-grown white ring. And so I'll take it out of the little baggie it came in, and I'd like to let you know that inside the little box it's basically like a holder for your ring. It has like the little slit so you can put it in, and in it obviously has like this really thick foam, so you don't have to worry about it getting like damaged or scratched or anything like that. So we'll take it out of the bag, and I believe I got it in a size 5. I'm pretty sure it was, but I'm going to show you this. It's really pretty. It is like seriously gorgeous. Don't know if you, there you go. You guys can see that. It's very, very pretty. And they had it in a bunch of other different colors. I think they had like some pink, blues, orange, purple, but I love simple colors, so I got it in just the white. And like I said, it's the oval 3-stone. It has 3, so it has the big one, and then it has these 2 little ones beside it. So usually I have like a bigger size in rings, but I got this one in a size 5 because I wanted it to be like one that I would not have to worry at all about falling off, which is good with this one because I put it on my ring finger, and to get it off I do have to do a little twist, but that means I know for a fact it's not going to come off like just by itself. I have to like physically get it off myself. But this one is so gorgeous. I love the look of the like the big gem and then the 2 little ones, and I love the silver. The silver is very nice. I'm in love with silver jewelry. I'm not sure why that is. Like, it was gold before, but now it's silver. But I just find this so pretty, and it's just like the perfect like kind of simple little ring to have. So on to the second piece of jewelry. So it's basically the same as the other packaging. A little box, protective foam, a littler box. I don't even know if that's a word. But inside this one, ooh, okay. It's a super pretty necklace. It's double bagged. Let me just take it out the bag so I can show you guys better. Okay, so I got it out the bag, and this one is called the heart-shaped rose design white topaz necklace, and it is in sterling silver, and that's like the same as the ring, and this one is actually very similar to the ring. So I got it out of the bag, and this necklace is called the heart-shaped white topaz rose design necklace, and it is in sterling silver, which is the same as the ring. And if you know me, I'm like obsessed with hearts. Like, it could be on clothes, it could be on jewelry, it could be like anything. I don't know what it is about them, they're just so cute to me. And so when I saw this necklace, I was like, oh my god, a flower and a heart. That's like two of my favorite things. And so I just had to get it. And like I said, it's white topaz because I wanted to get the same like colored stone as the ring I got. And so I'll give you guys a little close-up of it. It is so gorgeous. I love this necklace. It is so beautiful. I love how it looks. It has this little rose up here, and it has like the stem or the vine, I'm not sure what the name is, and it basically like turns into the heart. And then in the center it has the little hanging white topaz, and I just find that so cute because I love how it kind of just hangs there and it dances around like it's free. And then as you can see, like along, I don't know if you guys can see it, but along the top of the necklace it has like these little stones. I'm not sure if it's very visible. It's kind of hard to see. I think they're stones, I'm not sure. They sparkle, that's all I know. But it's super pretty. I love this necklace. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I just gotta take off my own necklace. So I'd like to mention the necklace is adjustable. It has 3 different lengths that you can set it to. So this is the longest, which is kind of like around like your, I'm not sure what this is, like your mid kind of chest. And then the second one is kind of more up a bit, and then the third one is more like a visible thing. So let's say if you were wearing like a lower neckline, I would wear the longest one. If it was a little higher, I'd do the second, and then so on so on. But I'm gonna put it to, I'm gonna do the second lowest because I love having my jewelry kind of show above my shirts. So I have it on now. It took me a bit, but that's okay. But so this one, I think it's at like the second one, and I was wrong about the length, but that's okay. I was kind of just estimating. So this one, the second one, is kind of like above here, like above kind of my chest almost, you know what I mean? But it is super pretty. Look at that. I love the length of it, and I love how the chain is almost like, what is it called? It's like invisible, that kind of thing, so it looks like it's just sitting there. I love necklaces that are like that. I always find that so cute. But I love the look of this. I love the rose, I love the heart, and I love the little mini heart in the middle that just moves around. And also I love the rings so much. They go so so nicely together, and they are so gorgeous. They're probably like 2 of my favorite jewelry pieces now, because I don't have like a lot of jewelry. So when I get new jewelry that's as pretty and as nice as this, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much, Miss Blue, for sending me these 2 pieces. I'm probably like never gonna take these off except for when I go swimming. But other than that, no, these are not coming off. I love these so much. Like, they're my favorite, like I said. And I would also like to remind you guys that the link is in the description down below for both of these items. If you want to check them out, I suggest you do. And a discount code is there too for you guys to use, and obviously the link that takes you to their website. So I will see you all in my next video.